Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. So, got a major update here. This is update number 3. Bing, bong, boom. Framing is done. So, let's check out the building. So, here is the shed. Shed? It's not more of a shed. More of a, almost like an office or something. It's pretty awesome. So, this is first side. I'll walk inside here. So, this is, like I said, this is update number 3. So, framing is completely done now. Transom windows have been moved up. They were originally framed in the wrong spot. So now we actually have a lot more wall space below the window. Try to get far enough away if you can see. So they're, I think the top is 9 feet high is where they are. So now there's, on both sides, there's just a lot more wall space to hang things in. And now you can see this is the corner windows on my aunt's side. Frames up the fountain perfectly, which is really cool. Both of those windows will open up and she'll be able to hear the sound of the, sorry, pause for coffee, sound of the fountain. So if I walk out the door, come across to the more storage side of things. This is looking down the length of it, basically. We've got this 4-foot opening still. This would be the, let's try to get the light there. That's the door. That's the existing shed in the back there. So on this side, we've got one solid window right there that looks out into the pile of wood in the neighbor's house. But eventually, I think those will be where the workbench will still go on this side here. And then, like I said, same thing, they moved this window up higher. So originally I thought I was going to have a bunch of storage above the window, which was fine. But it turned out that they had framed it wrong and dog for scale. We kind of thought that, but you know, I didn't want to second guess the framer, and I didn't really know where to check on the architectural plans, but the architect came by and verified that yeah, it was wrong, so they had to move it up a bit. So now I actually have this entire wall, sorry for the sun, have this entire wall usable space, and then this is a non-load bearing wall, so this will be framed up, so there will be a wall right here as well, plus all that space up in the air, which is pretty wild. Lots of space to put shelving or racks up high, something like that. So yeah, pretty amazing. Still got to figure out what type of rack system to go with, look into that. But it's coming along really well. So we're ready for framing inspection now. I think rough electrical might start soon. We're a little bit delayed with some of the windows. We're not sure which ones have been delayed slightly. So we understand that the doors might be coming soon. And if the doors come soon, then rough electrical will start soon. So it's moving along pretty good. Pretty crazy to see how tall it is now. And then this is the whole back wall, which will be pretty nice. This will be the way that I probably most likely will bring the bikes down through the yard. So have the turn around and have a path here. We'll have some pavers or something down on the ground and have this wall And then around the corner, open the door, and inside the shed. I keep calling it a shed. It feels more substantial than a shed, to be honest. But I mean, it's kind of what it is. So, and oh, we've got some dog buffoonery. Apples. There's apples here. Oh, ready, kiddo? Ready? So good, so good. And then son number one. Hey, bud, come on, come inside. Atlas, come here. There he is. Son number one checking things out. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. Looking pretty good so far. Looking pretty good. Later.